Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's job opening series we have one fantastic opening for the Power BI developer. So the company name is Orcapod, it is based in Pune and they are offering work from home. So it is recently posted, so you can directly apply and get shortlisted if you are eligible for this profile. So let's check the job description for this profile. So very first point is you should have minimum 2 years of experience in visualization. Location they had mentioned as a formality, but it is from Chennai, Pune, Noida, Bangalore and Hyderabad. So basically they are offering a work from home, so I don't think it would create any issue. The skill set they are looking for very strong visualization and presentation skill, kind of API knowledge and DAX knowledge and automation knowledge. So you should have very good understanding of Power BI tool, how you can automate the business problems and business process. So that kind of knowledge you need to get shortlisted and to be eligible for this job. So I'm going to put the link in the description. Go ahead and apply for this job and best of luck your job finding. Thank you.